Hello, in this video we will see how to apply the product rule for derivative. So what the rule says, this is the standard form like d by dx of u dot v equal du by dx dot v plus u dv by dx. It means the derivative of product of two function u and v is same as finding the derivative of first function u multiplying with v, means don't change v, plus keep the first function u same and multiply with the derivative of second function. Okay, usually we can denote like d by dx. It can also be denoted by dash. Like if you are writing dy by dx, it is also same. It can also be written as y and dash. So for d by dx we can use dash. Okay, so the other way of writing this product rule is u dot v. Dot means product of dash. Means the derivative of u dot v is same as what you have to do. Derivative of u multiply v, means find the derivative of first term. Keep the second term same plus first term same, multiply with derivative of second term. Okay. So let's see with the help of this question how to implement this. I'll keep it in this form so that it is easier for you. So now how you know that you have to use this product rule? Product rule means you see two terms in multiply. So sometimes they put cross, sometimes they put dot, sometimes it's bracket. So bracket means multiplication. So here you see the plus sign, but you see nothing. It's multiplication. Okay. So multiplication of two different terms. So it means you have to use the product rule. So what you can do? Out of these two, select one term as u, another term as v. It is fine. You can call this function as v, the first term, and the second one as u. It doesn't matter. Answer remains same. So let's go with the first one. Like we are keeping the first term as u and second term as v. So look at the rule. What we need? We need the derivative of u and we need the derivative of v. So let's write here. U is equal to, what is the value? X plus 3. Correct? Then v is equal to x power 3 minus 3x. Okay, this is first thing that we get. Now, what you need? You need derivative of u. Okay, so find the derivative of u. Now, you will find the derivative with respect to x because x is the variable. So, derivative of x. X means x power 1. So, what it will be 1 x to the power 1 minus 1. That is 1 x power 0, which is 1. So, if it is x power 1, it is always 1. So 1 plus derivative of 3. 3 is constant. So derivative becomes 0. So derivative of u is equal to 1. Now v. Derivative of v. What it is? 3n. So this 3 goes in the multiplication. 3x power 3 minus 1, that is 2, minus 3x. So x derivative is 1. So we keep 3 same. So derivative of v क्या आ गया? 3x square minus 3. So now what you have? You have value of u and v. Derivative of u and derivative of v. Okay. So when you have to find the derivative d by dx of your question, x plus 3 x cube minus 3x. So what it says? If this term is u, this term is v, use this rule. What it says? U dash v plus u v dash. Okay. Now, what is the value of u? U. So, क्या है? U is this, u dash is this, v is this, v dash is this. So, u dash v. So, u dash v means these two terms get multiplied. So, what it gives you? 1 multiply v. That is x power 3 minus 3x plus u. You reach top and then you have to come here. Cross u v dash. U is x plus 3 and multiplied by 3x square minus 3. Okay, so this is the basic way of doing it. Now after that, how we will simplify? 1 multiply something is same. Okay, and then you have to open this bracket. So you multiply x with 3x square, x with this, and 3 with both the terms. So let's simplify it. So what does this give you? 1 multiplies anything is same. X cube minus 3x plus. When you multiply x with 3x square, it gives you 3x power 3 and minus 3x plus 3 times 3, 9 x power 2 and plus 3 minus 3 gives you minus. Now check the same power term, x power 3 here and 3x power 3. So what this gives you when you add them? 1 plus 3, that is 4x power 3. Okay, and then you have minus 3x here, minus 3x here. Okay, before that check for x power 2 term. Only one x power 2 term, so write it here. 9x power 2 minus 6x minus 9. So this is your answer. In the same way, let's work on the next question. We have to find the derivative of product of these two terms. Okay, so the question is to find d by dx of this whole term. Okay, so what we have to do, we select one term as u, another as v. So let's take this as u, this as v. So what you have? U equal 2x power 5 minus 7. V equal 5x plus 10. So what the rule says? U dash v plus u v dash. So find the derivative, u dash. So 2 times 5, 10 x power 4 minus derivative of 7 is 0. So it gives you 10x power 4. Okay. Similarly, v dash. 5x gives you 5. For 10, it's 0. 10 is a constant, a number, so it's 0. So you have this as u, this as v, this as u dash, and this as v dash. Okay. Now substitute in the formula. So what the formula says, u dash v. So from u, you go to v and multiply them. So this gives you 10x power 4 multiplied with 5x plus 10. Okay. And with the rule plus u v dash, this one. Okay. So what it gives you? U is 2x power 5 minus 7. Be careful when you have two terms in it, like with plus or minus, put them in bracket. Because if you write just like 5 here, multiply 5, so you think that it's only 7 multiply 5, which is a mistake. 5 is multiplied with the full term. So bracket is important. Same like how we put the bracket here. Okay. Now just do the simplification. 10x power 4 multiplied with both the terms. Similarly, 5 multiplied with both the terms. So this one simplification gives you 10 multiply 5, 50. X power 4 and x power 1 gives you x power 4 plus 1, that is 5. 10 multiply 10, 100. X power 4. Okay, plus 2 multiply 5, 10. X power 5 minus 7 multiply 5, 35. Now check. You have x power 5 in two terms. So you can combine them. So how you combine? 50 plus 10. So it gives you 60 x power 5 plus 100 x power 4 minus 35. This is the derivative. You can apply this rule even if it is involving trigonometric function. Like suppose if you have to find d by dx of x plus 3 sine x. Again, two terms in multiply. Okay, it's not a single term. So what you will do? Again, you have to use product rule. Same way, take one function as u and this total as v. So u equal sine, sorry, u equal x plus 3, v equal sine of x. Okay, now derivative of u, derivative of x is 1, for 3 it's 0. So derivative of u is 1. Derivative of v, it is sine x, is cos x. So we have derivative of v as cosine of x. So we need u, v, u dash, v dash. And then we just cross multiply. Okay. So write the rule first. U dash v plus u v dash. So this is equal. U dash means 1 times v, which is sine x. So you don't need bracket. You can remove this because only one term. Okay. And then plus, since two terms here, x plus 3. So better to put a bracket. Okay. X plus 3 cos x. So on solving, 1 into sine x is sine x. And then same way, multiply this cos x with 3 and cos x with x. So this gives you x cos x plus 3 cosine of x. I hope it's clear now.